So my little helper has returned and we are going to be making milkshake lollies. What flavour milkshakes are they going to be?
Strawberry!
Strawberry. We've got some lovely Red Tractor strawberries, and then we've also got, of course, our Red Tractor certified British milk. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut up some of these strawberries, as well as potentially eating most of them along the way, and then we're going to put some milk in with the strawberries, and then we're going to turn them into a milkshake. But what we're going to do is we're going to freeze the milkshake into milkshake ice lollies. So let's cut up some of these strawberries.
Drop.
It rolled off, it's a good job I caught it. So now we're going to add in the milk. Now we look out for the Red Tractor logo, don't we, when we're out shopping, and part of the Red Tractor logo is this. Do you know what this is?
Britain.
Shows that everything has come from Britain, but also that means that you're actually helping support the economy by buying British products. So we're gonna pour in some milk.
Which is very yummy.
Okay, let's put this on. So we're gonna use these, but you can use just a cup, and the easiest way to do it is if you freeze it part way and then poke the stick in so that it'll hold it upright, and then let it freeze the rest of the way until it's solid, and then you actually get an ice pop on a stick. You're gonna have to hold it whilst I pour it in. This is gonna be a team effort. Are you ready? Oh, it looks good, it's good, it's good. Okay, so that's one. Fill up another one. This is a really great recipe because you can actually use any soft fruits. So it works with all kinds of stuff. Did you know, Jackson, that milkshakes contain calcium, which supports the growth and development of bones in children?
But I don't want another growth spurt.
You don't want another growth spurt?
So-
Why do you just want to stay tiny for the rest of time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put those in the freezer. So we've come out into the garden to taste test our lollies. Somebody seems to be enjoying his. He's got there quicker than I have. Is it good? Mmm. Perfect for in the sunshine.